Bonjour, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Irene here, and today continuing with these, I've got two big 1 metre by 1 metre canvases on the go. Here I've put them on the floor and I'm adding some copper leaf. I've already added glue in areas, which sometimes is really complicated because I usually forget where to put it. Here I think you can see me touching the canvas to see where the tackiness is, where I've put the glue. So you have to leave it for 10 minutes or so, and then you can add the gold, silver, or in this instance copper leaf that I'm using. So I'm going to be moving around this canvas and another one, adding these little touches of shimmer and shine, which I often like doing in my abstract paintings. These are two paintings that I've been working on for a while, using a palette of blue, orange, added after a pink with black and white. So I've been mixing these colours up. Started with, if I can remember rightly, and the video is available where I started these two, I started with collage papers that I created, my own sketches, painterly sketches that I started when I was in the mountains this summer. So I tore those up and added them, I think, as a first layer. Since there's been paints and inks and pastels and crayons and all sorts of different mixed media. I enjoy working in this way and hope to encourage you, if you're an artist watching, to be bold, to create, to just attack the canvas, be playful and see what happens. I work very intuitively as well. I like my process to be a back and forth conversation, I would say, between me and the canvas, the paints, the whatever material I put down, and I just respond to what's happening on the canvas, trust my instincts and go with the flow. Here I am changing up this one for the second canvas. Still not quite sure although I've still got that original mountain inspiration at the back of my mind. I have been going out lately into the forests, walking and feeling this autumn season mingling into what I'm putting down onto the canvas. So who knows how these are going to turn out. I never like to make that decision too early. just a little close-up of where I'm up to so far. You can see all the different marks and contrasts and various methods that I've worked in, and got them back up on the easel. A little bit crazy again and just seeing what happens in this ongoing playful stage. I will at some point start trying to pull things together, and I think I'm always naturally thinking that anyway, with all the experience over some years of painting, creating. I know naturally, I think, what goes good to each other, what colours, what shapes, what marks. But it's always difficult at the end to kind of pull the whole story together. So I've just popped into the studio. My phone was dead, so I was charging up and I couldn't wait. I had to go in with some pastels on here, and now I've mixed up this, trying to get this colour here, kind of a bluey petrol. So I've added this petrol blue colour, and I just feeling the need to go in with this big brush, big paintings, bigger brushes. I really would like a brush this big to just do a big get that in. I feel I need to get some boldness in here. It's going to become a blue painting. I just put it on fast because it uses less space and battery, so I'll change. Yeah, so I'm definitely feeling better after my little bit of a mad session. Feeling the wild skies, which I wanted to get, and being more expressive. So I'm enjoying that. Yeah, so I went over a lot, liking these big boulder marks, and so I'm playing with being bold and then trying to be calm. Where is it taking me? I think in the right direction. So this one is speaking to me more. because I'm getting that feeling that I wanted of when I was up in the mountains. I can slightly see these kind of little mountain imagery coming through and the crazy skies. So I'm liking this one. Will it stay? Always the question. So yeah, continue. So I'll leave you there for this week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will see you next time for more creativity, painting tips and techniques. Bye for now. Au revoir.